Today we have a tour of the Marriott Ohio State University in Columbus, Ohio. This is the room. This is a double twin room. It has been fully renovated. Check this out. Everything is new and very well done. Here's your closet with mirrors, with a mirror and hangers. You have your laundry bags here, your safety deposit box, a little mini section here where you can find your iron and ironing board. Here you can place your luggage on this very coolly done rack. Again, more hangers. Here you have a coffee machine, nothing to write home about, very basic, but you do have some teas, chamomile tea, breakfast tea, caffeinated coffee, and decaf coffee as well. And then down below you have a little mini refrigerator that is empty, very, very mini, but it serves its purpose. Moving on to the bathroom, fully renovated bathroom as well, with a large sink, many towels, 4 towels, extra towels, your toilet right here, a tile floor, nicely done wallpaper here. Let me zoom in so you can see. It's a little texture wallpaper. And then this section, you have a shower. There is no tub, so if you're a tub lover, this does not have a tub, but it has a shower that is very clean, white tile. Here's your shampoos, conditioners, and body washes attached to the wall. You can turn on the shower this way, and I like that because then you don't get wet, while the shower head is on the opposite side of the handle. So that is some new design that we're seeing more and more in these hotels. Here's your glass doors to close that, and over here you can find your hair dryer hanging from the wall. Lastly, moving on to the room section, this is a double room because I just checked in very early in the morning. They did not have a king room available, which is what I requested, but it is perfectly fine because I was able to get in right away at 10 o'clock in the morning. Look at those headboards. Very, very nice fixtures here and finishes of this furniture. The headboard has a built-in light, a reading light, which is a nice amenity to have. The beds look deliciously made. Very, very nice and pressed. Many, many pillows. You have one big nightstand in the middle of the 2 beds with your phone, your alarm clock, old school alarm clock, and then your 2 lights here, as well as another reading light on the opposite side of this bed. Here's your view of the room, nothing to write home about again. There's a view of the courtyard or the middle section. This hotel has both a full service Marriott on one side and then a Residence Inn on the other side, and they're connected to each other. So depending on whether you need a larger room or not, you can book the Residence Inn, which has kitchenettes in all the rooms. And then lastly, to finish up, here's your TV and your desk with a chair here for some working. The desk is not very wide, but it serves its purpose. And that wraps up the Marriott Ohio State University in Columbus, Ohio. Enjoy!